Para po sa Pangulo, gusto lamang niyang ipakita sa mga nagmamahal sa kanya at sa taong bayan kung ano pa talaga ang kanyang health condition. Ito po ay para maisantabi ang mga kasinungalingan na ngayon ay nagsisirculate laban sa kanya.
You cannot say a person is healthy just by doing jumping jacks or just by running. That's not the exact definition of health or the definition of being healthy. Now, the World Health Organization defines health as a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being, and not merely the absence of disease or infirmity. It means health is defined in three domains: physical, mental, and social well-being. Doing exercise like jumping jacks, sit-ups, squats, running, jogging, weightlifting, lahat yon pumapasok lang sa physical well-being. If you are able to do all those things, you're physically healthy. In the mental domain naman, ang pinag-uusapan natin dyan is how you cope with regards to stress at work, stress at home, dealing with other people, how you deal with tension as well as being faced with a lot of challenges, paano ka nagkakaroon ng reaction, and paano mo ito na-overcome each day. If you are very resilient enough in managing those situations, mental health is more likely of sound judgment, ganun, mas maganda ang favor nito in terms of your health. Now, social well-being, hindi lang kasi manggagaling sa iyo or sa sarili mo ang exact definition of being being healthy rather. Nakikita yan ng mga taong nakakahalubilo mo, nakakasama mo sa trabaho. If they see you as someone that is very much within or in tune with all the things that you are doing or the tasks that you are tasked to do, nagagawa mo, naging functional ka. And at the same time, during those situations na kailangan mong mag-mingle with other people, you are not stuttered or at loss sa mga ginagawa mo. Health can also be a definition of how you blend with society. Now, the last statement of the WHO definition of health is stating that not merely the absence of disease or infirmity. Paano mo malalaman ang absence ng disease or any infirmity? Siyempre, that is up to the challenge of doctors. Those doctors that could assess you, check your physical examination, go back to your clinical history, kung ano may mga naging nakaraang sakit mo. That is a objective way of identifying if there are any disease na meron ka. And that is important to say that you are at most on the side that you are healthy. Specifically, if you are aware, knowledgeable, and in tune with all the things or comorbidities that you have currently in your body. So kung babalik tayo sa pagtatalon or pagtatakbo or pagja-jumping jacks lang, that just only defines only a fraction, kumbaga, 1/4 lang ng definition of health. You cannot fully answer the mental domain of are you mentally fit, the social well-being domain, if that particular definition of health is addressed or resolved, or the absence or presence of any disease. Hindi mo rin nasagot yun just by running or doing jumping jacks. So, the sheer vagueness of only one fraction of the definition of health is somewhat of a question mark. So, are you fully healthy in that sense? It's like kapag may mga pasyente ako, let's say for example, meron akong patient na may COPD, meron din akong patient na may hypertension. Try ko silang sabihin na, well, try doing jogging, try do jumping jacks, as much as you can. Siguro mga around lang, mga 5 reps lang. Then let's check kung kamusta ba ang kalusugan mo. True enough, nagawa nila. Does that indicate full health or kumbaga clarity of the definition of health? No, kasi ang patient ko may hypertension. ang patient ko may COPD. Does it state na you are healthy? No, kasi the physical examination states na kung ano ba yung blood pressure niya, yun yung magdidictate kung control ba ang hypertension niya. Si COPD, nagkakaroon ba siya ng hirap huminga during the times of the exercise? Yun yung magdidictate, hindi lang yung exercise or hindi lang yung physical activity. So it's quite incomplete to say na kung yun yung magiging definition ko of health. And take note, some diseases are asymptomatic or even stable during the time na ongoing yung sakit niya. Take, for example, if may patient ako na may skin cancer, well, he or she can do jumping jacks, he or she can do jogging, he can run also, di ba? They can do anything while the disease is ongoing. So, can it define the disease? So, it's important that a full assessment of his or her health is important to assess soundness of being healthy for his or her function. And that's the definition of health, not just doing exercise. Kailangan holistic ka. And that definition will determine if the person or the individual is healthy. Okay? Ingat.